Hey everybody, so today on Tracie Reed Designs I am going to be doing a traveling ring pour using all metallics. I am super excited, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Hey everybody, so today I'm working on a 10 by 20 canvas and I've got all metallics right here, so I am just going to go ahead and get started. Hey everybody, so the painting is all dry and I really like this one. I wanted to try something a little bit different with my metallic ring pours. Generally, I do a ring pour where each one is separate, but I want to try something different, put them all in the same cup, and you can definitely see how the colors transition from one to the other, and they blended really, really nice. I got some awesome defined lines and quite a bit of natural cells developed. So all in all, I do really like it. It's just very soft. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, and don't forget, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, hit the thumbs down twice. And also share this video if there's someone you think that might enjoy it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.